So we moved in here about 2 years ago. When we moved in, they renovated this kitchen before we had moved in, and what they happened was that they cut down this wall to put this little nook in here. I guess the contractor didn't realize that he had cut an open chase for the return upstairs. So what we did was we had to resort to window shakers for the first summer that we were here. And then over the winter, we kind of went through our options of, do we reroute a new return duct or do we go with a ductless system, which was quicker, faster, and easier solution. When we decided to go with a ductless system, we contacted a local contractor. They came out and gave us the best recommendations of where to put them in the rooms, basically laid out the whole system, told me everything I needed to know going into it. So the install was set up and it was basically complete in one day. They did a great job. Everything was exactly how they said it. Everything works great, no problems from the date they put it in. So this is the master bedroom unit. We have one in each bedroom. Here's the remote. Unit actually gives us the ability to heat and cool, as along with to ramp my fan speed up and down and move the louver direction, so it's not blowing directly on me while I'm sleeping and waking me up. It's a great little unit, quiet, and doesn't look too bad on the wall. By putting the ductless in upstairs, it gave us independent control of each room. My wife likes it very cold at night. She's like a 64 kind of sleeper, so we do have the ability to put that down into one bedroom, so she's very happy with the choice that we made. So it gives the comfortability of each room to be separate temperatures, and that's pretty much why I did it. Each head upstairs has a Wi-Fi capabilities, so I can turn each one of them on via the phone, even if we're not here and we're coming home late at night and we want the room to be conditioned to what we want it to be when we get here. Being that now I can turn my upstairs off during the time that we're not up there, I basically could just run my downstairs at one time and my upstairs at another time. So it gives me the ability to lower my energy cost.